Hey everyone, this is Neha. In today's English lesson, we are going to learn three most effective tricks that will help you to improve your English. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, tip number one, immerse yourself. So, if you're learning English, you have to surround yourself with the English language as much as possible. Like, you have to adopt English as a hobby every time when you sit, when you get up, when you wake up, when you sleep. That's how it's possible to learn language a very short period. Or surrounding yourself with English language. You can do these things. Listen English music, watch English movie, watch YouTube videos in English vlogs and English TV channel, news channel, English newspaper and English books. You can read in English. I know reading is quite boring, but you can choose any kind of books that you like, that you love to read. It can be of comics and whatever kind of books that you like. You can think in English, you can talk to yourself in English, and you can practice it with native speakers. And besides, there are a lot of English learning tools that helps you to improve your English. You can practice your English speaking by using those tools. So just involve yourself in a language. Think, write, read, speak. This is the key to improve your English, and this is how you can immerse yourself with a language. And immersion helps you to improve your English naturally. It won't make you feel bored, and it will help you to learn words and remember those words long term. And second most important way is practice consistently. It's said that consistency is the key. If you want to be fluent, you have to be consistent, otherwise it will not work. Set aside time each day to practice English speaking, writing, listening and reading. And read out loud when you are reading English. And make your timetable to read, write, and speak for practice English every day. And this is how you can be consistent on English practice. So, practice English as much as you can, because there is no short trick to improve your English in very short time. The more you will practice, the faster you will become fluent. And number three, focus on vocabulary, phrases and grammar. So when it's come to learn English speaking, so many people say that grammar is not important, but I think at least you should learn basic grammar, because it solves a lot of confusion about English. So basic grammar is, I think, is essential to learn. And after that, you have to build a strong vocabulary, because a language made by a lot of words. So you have to learn a lot of words as much as you can learn, and especially learn phrases, because it helps you to understand English more, and phrases help you to speak English easily. So start by learning basic grammar rules such as verbs, tenses, sentence structures and clauses. And then focus on learning vocabulary, phrases and new words every day. And for building a strong vocabulary and phrases, you have to watch and consume a lot of English content, such as YouTube English video, movies and music and books and English podcasts. So start doing these things, and Google new words if you don't understand, if you don't know the meaning of that word. And this is how we all learn new words. And these days it's become more easy to learn new words. You can use ChatGPT to learn new words. Simply type 15 phrases to related daily vocabulary, or whatever kind of words you are searching for. You can simply type here and it will provide you a long list of words, new words, and with meanings and a lot of related example. So these 3 ways are the key to improve your English. So try these 3 ways to improve your English. You will become fluent for sure. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video. And if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.